Void. So first is Dole. We have 1. Dos. Tra. Freya? So, stuff. Okay. Well, you're both testing stuff and stuff, so this should be cool. Okay, so Time Mage, fast and stuff. Sinkhole, Cure 3, Raise 2 Asuna. Simple, straightforward support. Squire, high PA, big damage, concentrate. Accumulate, Yell, Seal Evil. It's just nice and simple. I like it. The Wizard. Magic up, good MA. Bolt 2, Ice, Nether Ice, Water, Nether Water, Water 2. Focus, Throwstone Heal. Absorb shenanigans? Not many elemental absorb stuff. Maybe some from this Dancer. It was 2-handed counter, so again, big damage. Sprint Shears for some hasty goodness. Accumulate, Throwstone Heal. Wow. Hiccups are funny. Yeah, just nice, straightforward, big damage. Move +1, very important. If we can get this Dancer into range, so we can actually do our thing. 2 to 80 damage pre-Fury. Wizard has good stuff. Squire, range, pokes. Yeah, feels good. Cool. Like, yeah, equipment choices all make sense. So, not much to say. Now on the Soundcaster team, we have Joshua the Ninja. Concentrate with dual cutters for that's pretty fun. Ninja knows Refute and Mimic Darvon. Pachi the Paladin. Phoenix Blade. Transfusion, Re-Raise, Grand Cross, Raise 2, Wall, and Asuna. Grand Cross, yeah, Diamond Armor and Defense Armor do it. Jose the Bard, Hidden Knife. That's really interesting. Angel Song, Magic Song, Beeson Boat, Murasame, Masamune, Chiri. So Magic Song helps with Raise 2 and Asuna percent chances, Hawk skills. Obviously the draws. This draws will do a ton. I'm guessing Hidden Knife to help bring him forward? Is that the idea? Then Diana the Scholar also has Hidden Knife. That's really cool. Bio 2, Quake, Moogle, Fairy, Carbuncle. Huh. So maybe you could tell us about the idea with Hidden Knife. That's really unique. People are doing fun stuff with the Equip X's today. Cool. It's pretty comparable. Similar speeds. Damages and fun stuffs, and AoE could be big. My Dole's mostly just single target stuff. Ah, the Wizard. More AoE here. Quake, we already talked about. Chase Instant. So let's see what happens. The Ninja is fast, has a lot of move, charges forward, and starts out the Mimic Darvon. Only catches 1 unit. Caught all 3 of them would have been pretty impressive, but the Time Mage was there with Asuna. Wow! Big, scary Bloodsword shot gets guarded. Squires concentrate, so does not care. Does big damage. That is a Quake. Yeah, Ninja absorbs it from, I assume, the Diamond Armor. Wow, that keeps him alive. Dual cutters. Fun stuff. A lot of damage. Transfusion. Keeping everyone healthy. Squire does big shot. Oh, this here is gonna hurt. Right, 17 MA on that Bard. This looks like another Quake incoming. The ice will be enough to drop the Bard. Something has a Bard, but it's still a pretty awkward position, especially because that's an only 74% chance for raise 2. And there's also Mimic Caravan. And it connects. Paladin doing the support thing as well. He misses his raise 2. So Scala goes for Fairy. Wizard has a chance to do something. More Mimic Caravan. Lands. It lands. Silent Caster's statuses are in play. No dual cutter proc there, which is only 1 in 4 chance, but Cheery finishes things up, and it's a 4v1. So rough round for Dole. Oh no, more Mimic Darvin. Oh, why does it keep landing? I didn't even need to land. And the dirty water finish. Alright. Suncast takes round 1. Time for round 2. No. Round 2, not match 2. Very big map at Mandalia Plains. I swear I'm not a zombie. And the ninja, he does not care about the map size. He is going to go forth and bore people to death. Oh my god, did you see that? 1, no proc from dual cutters. 2, Bloodsword gets guarded again. It's really unfortunate for Dole. That did look like a one-shot. Ice finishes the job just in time. He missed his turn. Scholar ready with Quake action. Just undoes the ice. The heal from the ice. More haste going around. Cheery is enough. Drops the dancer. Time Mage has the time, so that's why he's just saying so little from Cheery and etc. last round. Paladin also has raise 2 ready. Oh, Scholar's gonna hit a lot of people, looks like. And the bolts 2 hit their friend. Friend goes down. Friend being the dancer. And Ninja is back up. Squire can shoot someone, and shoots the Bard. Just in time. Raise 2 lands. Good back and forth stuff. Wizard has something. Oh, there's the proc. Double proc, a lot of damage. Wizard gotta cast something, but Scholar's about to get her turn, and Quake means it goes off first. And she survives for the water too! Wow, that's a big damage split. And time to use Cure, which is bad news. Bard gets in. Cheery. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. No MP on Paladin? That is something I always forget. The paladins have very low MP pool. A lot of damage. This could be big! No. Oh, and the water gets rid of the haste and the time mage too! And if it's dead, exactly. 189. Yeah, really bad luck for Dole that the Dancer's Blood Sword missed on the ninja, the opening both times. Teleport's sort of keeping her alive, but dual cutters do a reasonable amount of damage. Soundcaster takes round 2 and the match. Then we go on to match 2 in this batch. My team, the other team I made last week. Quick run. So this is boring and or hilarious, depending on what you think of the team and how Shinjoi's team works. Oh. I don't think it did. But I don't think Dole's units had M-Evade. Dole's units did not have M-Evade. So I guess I should just put you against one of DW's teams or something. Or Hiroble's teams. Someone with Genji Gauntlet. And or Aegis Shield. I don't think it does. But worth testing. Okay, so my team, it's quick run. We have Bean the Thief. Yeah, that's 15 speed, and another 15 speed unit, Poke the Archer. I guess the cop stole it from Sonic. A lot of the Time Mage, supporting stuff, and Teacher Person the Monk. This is exactly the same as my Archer from Sonic. So Arm Aim, Seal Evil, Execute, Quickening Steel Heart. Quickening Steel Heart, Secret Fist, Sigma Magic Revive. Haste 2, Demi, Raise Asuna, Spin Fist, Repeating Fist, Wave Fist, Secret Fist, Stigma Magic, Chakra, Revive, Last Song. So, go really fast. Last Song was funny. Yay! Shinjoi's team, A Bad Time, Gaster Blaster, Scholar, Skull the Monk, Crossbones the Monk, Sans the Mime. So Mime and was Nibus on both of these. Spin Fist, Sigma Magic, Revive was Nibus. Scholar's Thunder Flare, Rama, Fairy, Carbuncle. Ace of Zeus, of course, strengthens. Lightning. Thunderflare and Rama are happy. A lot of damage. MA up. Everyone just chills back. Mime can move forward a bit and be annoying with the evasion. And Nurse, Consecration, Iron will re-raise. So Vroom, who gets there first? Poison could be really problematic for me. Ow, why do I keep hiccuping? Poison could be annoying. Lightning could also be annoying. Absorb MP means he gets a lot of quickenings. That makes me happy. Absorb Lightning. That's also good for me. PA save could be fun. Yeah, let's see what happens. This is a small map, so this helps me. I really just pile on the status and stuff. And be fast. The last song is like totally unnecessary, but that's part of the fun? I hope, I think. I don't know. Dances have started. Thunder Flare's going. Mime gets to do. Oh, he's concentration. What-oh. Secret Fist misses. What-oh? Arme misses. So this is 102 damage per thing. That's like a third of my life totals. Oh, and then Thunder Flare too. That's even more. And so along with the poison, okay, Charm helps a lot. She's dead. That was derpy. Consecration. Very awkward. My thief's about to die as well. I think in this case, disabling the actual units themselves rather than mine will be more helpful. Oh, got rid of Charm. And that was a double kill. Ivan's poisoned. I'll just raise one. Oh, I'm gonna lose this. That poison is surprisingly annoying. And my archer should have moved HP up instead of move MP up. I was actually very surprised to see us move MP up earlier when I was setting up the memory card. That was very strange. I moved HP up. I really did. I don't know. Anyway, so I've lost round 1. Unclear if round 2 will be any better for me. Well, okay, hang on. My Time Mage is like completely immune to the team. So let's speed this up, because I need my guys to come back and then do things again. Oh, my Time Mage can't die. She could run out of MP if she continues to stand there. Shinto's team is very content on standing, obviously. Oh no, mine move forward. Maybe just gets guarded. Thief's back. Secret Fist keeps missing, so that's not good for me. And my guys will eventually fall down again, probably, between Consecration and all the stuff that's going on. My Time Mage is standing still. This is a big problem. Also, that mine has gold armor, so he's immune to death sentence. He's gonna die as well. So that's also bad. If my Time Mage continues to stand there, it seems she's very content on doing that. I could lose, because she's just not gonna have MP. Oh my god, why aren't you moving? Why did it do this to me, AI? Why are you so intent on being stupid? This is going for a long-ass time. I'm sorry, everyone. Damn, he's not gonna do it because they have Thunder Flare. Oh god. We're gonna be here for a while. I can feel it. Hang on. Did I run them out of MP? Is that possible? It looks like the Scholar's out of MP. Oh no. Oh, she's got MP. Oh, she does Grandma. And PSA has probably gone off a lot on my monk. It looked like he killed for like 1 million. Hope no one gets a seizure from this. Yeah, one shot, because that PA save is funny. Of course, everyone's hilariously fast. And yeah. So that's probably what's going to happen in round 2 as well. $900 guys, it happened. 999. Holy jeez. That might have been a crit. Well, 40/40 and iron boots. Anyways. That was 999. So we did 400 to the monks, like 450-ish, 420-ish to the monks. So, big numbers achieved. Woo! Jeez. Still hiccuping. So, let's speed this up a little bit, just because we have a pretty good idea of how this will work. Okay, I did not speed up that much. Oh! Let's do that, the PA save, and begins. Thank goodness my time mage is completely immune to the team. That's why I won. Okay, last song? Are you gonna be funny? Yeah. For sure. There's something that struck me as odd. No! Wait! Why isn't last song going off? You're only 10 speed. Oh, no, it's because of the haste. Oh, I'm silly. That's why. That's why last song has been going off. He rubs himself. He absolutely has to heal against this barrage of stuff. Alright. Well. This game is beginning. He's already at 170, so... is that 34? It's 23 effective PA, at least. Monk is at least 23 PA right now. I guess my Fiend Launcher is about to die again. Okay, she's in corner. That could be bad. And we just wait now, cause like, yep, there's nothing to say. Like, it's all gonna happen. I guess we can check in from time to time to see his PA. Ah, out of MP. Oh, his carbuncle. That's how he does the MP thing. Oh no, my archer's gone. AI, why are you so stupid? Why do you just keep splitting yourself up like that? Eh. I still can't die. We'll get through this. More PA saves going off. Uneven height differences makes for awkward potential. Oh, he ate the crystal. He's still a lot of HP. No poison, but that can't last for long. Ooh, that's gonna be a haste. Did you walk out of haste? I get a low on MP as well. Dance continues. And they need auto push to eventually stop working, but that's gonna be so unlikely. Ooh, absorb MP. Oh no! Whoa, no. Stay moving, please, please. Stop. Move. Because maybe my monk might get a turn. 330 HP chakra. It's at like 40 some PA. I was expecting like a repeating fizz or something, but then I saw he was uncritical, so. Oh, there's some MP again. No, stop doing that. Just. Oh, they're undead. I don't have to worry about it. Uh-oh. Whoa, that would have been bad. I'm glad you're having fun, because, like... I think most people consider this not fun. Oh no, Secret Fist! No! Ah! I want to check in on my monk's PA. 50! Wonderful! Yeah! Cool. Wow. Oh, that's a funny chakra. I don't think most people would consider this terribly fun because it's just super grindy. Like, we know what's gonna happen, and like, I don't know. And it's different variations of fun. Obviously, I'm having fun. I'm worried that you guys aren't, and it might be cool to move on to the next match. So we have a real match because this is just Shinra literally can't win unless the complete impossible happens of no auto potions for like a million times in a row. A Demi Cure plus and absorb MP, so we can use quickening. In theory, the game plan for this team is for my male thief to just quickening like all day, every day. Guarded it again. I can't complain. He's so close to them. That means when he does come back up, you know. Oh wow, it's going for Thunder Flare and not Carbuncle. Not like it matters. 420. 84, 58, 7. I don't know how much. I got at least 50 PA. I think. That was a bag whack, wasn't it? Whoop. That looked like it. Could that have been 999? Oh no! Scholar's on awkward panel. That monk might also be on awkward panel. Okay, Mime, you're our last hope. For fun times. Oh no, monk's back up. Bonk? You call that a spin fist? Woo! That looked like 999. Oh hey, Emmy and Fairy cancel each other. There's 999. We did it. Oh my god, that's the monk. That's the monk. Oh jeez. Oh, why did I fast forward that? $216 damage back whack. Alright, mission accomplished. Let's move on to the real match. Whew. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Okay, we have DW's Windwalkers against Void's Dream Eaters. So this probably won't be super entertaining for you, DW, because you already commented on this team from Void. As your team, hopefully it's still fun. Okay. So from DW we have Windstorm the Monk. Now let me pull up the team. Everything looks good so far. Flo the Ninja. The Breeze. Scholar? And Tailwind the Priest. So for skills, the Priest knows Cure 2, Raise 2, Asuna, Haste 2, Slow 2, Sinkhole, Comet, Demi. Scholar has Prismatic Rod, and that makes sense because she knows Tornado, Moogle, Salamander, Fairy, Carbuncle, Ifrit, Fire. Huh. I think I changed one of the fire element summons to something different. Ninja has items. And Monk has Maton, Futon, Chakra, Wave Fist, Revive, Stigma Magic. Yeah, gets to heal himself with Futon. Everyone has wind, right? Tornado and stuff. Yeah, cool. Wind. From Void we have Emptiness, the Lancer. Looks like he's made some changes. Drool the Chemist. Right, this Lancer has a shield now. Nightmare the Mediator. And Snore the Wizard. Snore, big damage. With 17 MA, Match Hiccups, Strengthen. Bolt 2, Water 2, Heaven's Cloud, Masamune. Mediator knows Blackmail, Insult, Mimic Darvon, Moogle, Fairy, Carbuncle, Odin. Items and Quake. Items and Jump. Oh. So Wizard is definitely the biggest problem for DW because she can probably one-shot probably the Scholar and do a hefty number onto the Priest as well. In that case, turn Ifrit into Shiva or Emma, and everyone's happy. The red shoes are indeed weird on the Lancer. Might have been an odd holdover from when he had Holy Lance to boost the Holy Breath proc, but even that is kind of sad. And Platinum Armor, similarly, same issue. So yeah, those should be changed. Platinum Armor and red shoes. I think all the other stuff makes sense. 70 Brave, no need for 70 Brave. I guess it might encourage people to attack her. But you aren't benefiting from heals and stuff either. Oh, I guess Moogle and Fairy, I suppose. You have a good compat. Wait, you have bad compat with your own guys? Leo, Scorpio. It's bad compat. Neutral compat. So should want to fix get some good compat actually. I think the Meteor is okay. Wizard's fine. Chaos mostly fine. But you don't have a lot of absorb either. Like the Lord, the Quake does not do enough. I think there should be something else. I think a different secondary would be a lot better. The Quake is not going to do enough. Yeah, the Blaze Gun is debatably use. And no, Blaze Gun's still fine, stat independent. And since you aren't doing great damage to the Lancer, you can change the Barbuta as well, something else. I think Javelin makes sense for items, but the stat boosting armor is not so much. Status resistant armor is pretty good, maybe even the Diamond Helm. Oh no, you Dragon Spear for re-raise, so not Diamond Helm. It's just something like Crystal Helmet. Or against Don't Act. That's good. Okay. I think we said enough here. Oh yeah, Wizard. Main target for DW. Who does Void care about? So I don't know. I don't think Void has all the damages from the Wizard. Dead proc could be funny from Odin. Still some statuses like, what's problematic here? One of the mages? Mages tend to have very high impact. Right, because if like support with white magic, then you want that person down to no raise 2s or raises, and then if big damage, well, kill person doing big damage, that means your guys are probably alive, and that makes you happy. Okay, round 1 at Yardo. So goes first, Chemist just waits in place. You don't see that every day. Oh, wait. Blackmail lands. High MA. So 56% chance. Thanks to Meteor's 11 MA. Pretty good. Wizard is casting something. DW does not care. She has Sinkhole. Bam. Problem solved. Oh, it's a counter match. That's really cute. 21 damage, Maton. My brother's playing a song that I enjoy. I'm really tempted to hum along to it. Moogle for an okay amount. 108 gems in Wizard Rod makes sense. It's, I'm guessing this is for on your Scholar. I think that makes sense. So then it'd boost your summons. I think that's a pretty good call. See? Small numbers are fun! Numbers are our friends. Too many people don't like numbers. It makes me sad. Numbers are great. Do we have single? No, we have... Tornado? Oh, Demi! Little Demi. There's a tornado. That's probably a dead. Yeah, dead wizard. And now, oh, Clem Hazard, you are dead as well. And hey, that was almost enough. Wayfist's wind element. That's really cool. That's an interesting change. Maybe I should try. I mean, go try and build around that. We've seen that kind of thing before. Monks with like 108 gems or other stuff. That could be really interesting. Okay. Meantime, a lot of dead people. DW, yeah, double kill. Alright, DW takes round 1. Larger map might mean Void's wizard can actually do something, can get a spell off. If she can, if that wizard can, match might be different. If DW gets to sinkhole into kill again, match probably gonna look very similar. So how big is this map? Bervenia Free City, that's pretty big. So who walks into whose range first and etc. I was wondering why people went down there, and I see the Transparent Ninja now. I look away for one moment. You can't look away. Why would you want to look away? This is great. Oh, Odin! No death proc. Bolt 2! That's Dead Ninja. Already, big impacts happening. Now, Maton, excellent range, so the monk could, in theory, snipe the wizard with another one. Oh, Ifrit might do the trick. It does. That's a dead wizard. There's the finger sound as proof of payment. This potion is not going to be quite enough if Monk can get a turn. Oh boy. Wizard charging. Charging. Monk has the mate, or just a Wayfist kill. That'll work as well. Scholar is happy. Can do things now. Ninja also ready for stuff. Tornado. Sealed auto potion, saved chemist. Once it gets a little poke. So yeah, the other big thing, Void, your team is so based around your wizard. If your wizard isn't doing damage, the rest of your team is not doing damage. Your team is doing no damage, right? Like, it's all on your wizard, and then everything else is kind of sad. And I am sounding like a bigger jerk every day. That's bad. Like, Blaze Gun from the chemist isn't doing enough. We talked about Quake already. Lancer, since he's going with Javelin, that means less pokes. Less damage on his pokes. Wizard is great at doing damage. That's unsurprising, it's the wizard. Got a lot of MA and etc. But and your team, yeah, no, you can keep her alive. But even just one unit, no matter how much damage that one unit does, unless you can like reliably do 999 to like all the units on the enemy's team at once, can't really have one unit carry the game and expect to win from that. Like the mediator doesn't do that much. You have very high Brave and Faith values on all your guys for little gain. But your Meteor only has 11 MA, so the Moogle isn't going to be that impressive. It's not going to heal your Lancer for that much. I think the Lancer could easily have 40 Faith. Chemist could easily have 40 Brave. You want 70 Faith on the Chemist, obviously, for the Blaze Gun. But 70 Brave means it just takes more damage from melee shots. People are going to have unavailable things on their guys as well. Unavailable attacks like Repeating Fist and stuff with Hidden Knife Jump, which you're using yourself, unavailable. I think DW might have mentioned it when she commented on your wizard. Like, the draw outs aren't there either. Like, there's like, okay, Heaven's Cloud gets boosted by Prismatic Rod. That's good, but can you benefit from that? Right, one easy thing you could do is just switch Heaven's Cloud to Kiku. Gives you good range, and then you might somehow randomly heal your Chemist, or just have like better stuff on the draw out. Or just stay at range, and then if your wizard runs out of MP, it's awkward. Because once again, right, then you're counting on your Chemist and or Meteor taking another action, taking one of their turns to help your wizard, so have another action to help. Like, I don't know what your JP tools are looking like, but like you could have your Chemist have Talk Skill secondary. I think that'd be an improvement over Quake, and then your Meteor could be something else entirely. Maybe a start. And then your Lancer, also depending on what you want your team to do. It's fine as an item bot, but at the moment I don't think it's doing enough. Okay. One, I hope what I said still makes sense. Two, it's time for requests, because that was the end of that memory card.